Unlocking the beauty of your home. The Art of Decorative Driveways. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a term that beautifully combines function and aesthetics: decorative driveway. This phrase might seem straightforward at first glance, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Stay tuned as we uncover the meaning, importance, and various types of decorative driveways. At its core, a decorative driveway refers to a driveway that goes beyond its basic function of providing a path for vehicles to enter and exit a property. It incorporates design elements and materials that enhance its visual appeal. Unlike conventional driveways, which might be purely utilitarian, decorative driveways are designed with an eye for beauty, often becoming a focal point of landscaping and home design. You might wonder, why go the extra mile for a driveway? Well, a decorative driveway adds value to a property in several ways. Aesthetic appeal. It boosts the overall beauty of the home, making it stand out in the neighborhood. Increased property value. Homes with well-designed driveways can see an increase in their market value. Personalization. It offers homeowners a chance to express their personal style and creativity. Decorative driveways come in various forms, each offering a unique look and feel. Let's explore a few popular types. Stamped concrete. Mimics the look of bricks, stones, or other patterns, offering versatility in design. Pavers. Made from concrete, brick, or natural stone, pavers offer a range of colors and shapes for intricate designs. Resin-bound. A mixture of aggregate stones and resin creates a smooth, durable surface that's permeable to water. Exposed aggregate. A method where the top layer of concrete is washed away to reveal the natural textures of the stones beneath. In conclusion, a decorative driveway is more than just a pathway for your car. It's an opportunity to enhance the beauty and value of your home. Whether you opt for the elegance of stamped concrete, the charm of pavers, the sleekness of resin-bound, or the natural allure of exposed aggregate, a decorative driveway can transform the entrance of your home into a work of art. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of decorative driveways for you. Remember, learning English is not just about words, it's about understanding the culture and creativity they express. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.